Dear all, welcome to my channel. In this session, I'm going to discuss one of the most important topic, that is mini project idea on electric vehicles. This project will be applicable to electrical and electronics engineering students and electronics and communication engineering students. Apart from that, even computer science students also can join this project. I can say that it's a multidisciplinary, not only for EC and EEE, even other multidisciplinary branches also can join. The first one is actually AI powered battery health prediction system, because the battery health is most important for the battery. Once the battery is spoiled, entire cost will be doubled for the maintenance, everything. So battery, you just like if battery is not fit for particular vehicle, you have to change immediately. That will hamper the customer. Concept is build a system such a way that which will predict the battery health. I mean, in the sense it will prevent uh, undercharging, I can say like overcharging and deep discharge. Okay. And which remains the useful life of AA model trained by charging and discharging cycle. So we should have a charging and discharging cycle of a particular battery company. Accordingly, we are going to train the model. And the same thing you will be inculcating in a new electric EV system such a way that it will prevent overcharging and the deep discharge. Why it is very innovative? It prevents the sudden failure, because vehicle wanted to travel in a rural or remote area where no maintenance facilities available. Even extend the battery life, and it will support for the customer and support for the predictive maintenance. Even any maintenance is required, it will give an idea. It will give an indication to the like a driver or a customer that your battery is about to replace or your battery is about to maintain. Okay, some comments he has to receive. The feasibility of this project is it can be implemented with a Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Along with that, we require, this is a microcontroller. Apart from that, we require current and voltage sensor. Also, like we can, for the demonstration purpose, we can use the lithium ion battery pack, even Python machine learning model. Okay, this is actually the basic requirement. You can draw the block diagram and start doing the methodology, and you can try to implement this particular system. That will be really useful. Even computer science, AI students can join for this particular project. Now, moving on to the second topic, that is IoT-based EV charging reservation and payment system. So the concept is you need to design a smart charging station that lets the EC owner reserve the slot and pay digitally via applications or web dashboard. So it will be very convenient to the customer. They can easily fix the slot, and we can minimize the hassle environment. Okay, large crowdy environment. Digital payment can be done. So one app as well as dashboard need to be developed. Why it is very innovative? Because tackles the real world EV adoption problem, charging congestion and payment delay that will happen, software issues. The main feasibility of this project is which can be simulated using RFID technique, or you can go for like a QR code, even with the ESP32, ESP32, or like Arduino is also fine, and a mobile application or prototype. That is actually the way of development of this project, and you can showcase it. You can show the development. So minimum viable product, I'm not sure, but you can definitely show using a prototype. Swappable battery management system, that is BMS. So concept is like battery swapping system with a smart detection and also authentication and state of charge monitoring. These are the three things which are involved in this concept. Why it is very innovative? Why? Because which reduces the charging downtime, also aligned with the future EV fleets. In European countries, this model is getting adopted. Feasibility is scale the small lithium battery packs and microcontroller with the RFID authentication. So you can show the prototype using this technique. Coming to unit like a fourth technique, that is regenerative braking for the optimization. Whenever you are applying the brake, there is a power loss. If you recover those power loss, your efficiency of the electric vehicle or normal vehicle system can be improved. Same concept we are going to apply here. Design a controller such a way that will optimize the regenerative energy to recover small EV prototype. You can show that this much percentage of energy is recovered after the braking. Why it is very innovative? Because during the braking, much amount of electric power is getting wasted. Those power can be recovered, and efficiency of the entire system can be improved. Even that will improve the battery lifespan as well. The feasibility of this project is use a BLDC motor as an output. You are using a controller, then Arduino with certain sensors and battery backup for the energy recovery showcase. Okay, you can put a certain condition and you can prove that certain amount of energy has been improved. Ultimately, you need to calculate the efficiency and show that After regenerative braking, this much of energy is recovered. Without regenerative braking, this much of energy has been obtained, and after like regenerative braking, this much of performance is obtained. You can have a comparison. Even you can plot the graph and you can show or showcase it in a better fashion. So EV charging using renewable hybrid system. So it will like suggest that the solar and wind powered charging station that will ensure the continuous power supply that will delay the interrupts. Even like we cannot rely only one source. So the hybrid system that will support for the reliability, it will improve the reliability. Why we can say it is innovative? Because it reduces the dependency on the grid electricity as well as which support the rural EV adoption. Because in rural area we don't have any grid. Okay, such cases we cannot use EV because electricity is not nowhere available in rural places. Most of the areas, especially if you go to African countries and all, we cannot find out any convenient EV charging station. So that's a problem. To overcome that, we are going to have the solar and wind powered hybrid charging system. The feasibility, scaled hybrid system with 50 to 100 watts. For the prototype, that is more than sufficient. Solar panel with the mini wind turbine, you are going to have a hybrid energy system. And there is a charge controller as well as IoT monitoring. So this is regarding EV charging using renewable hybrid system. So there are five important topics. If you find any interesting topic, you can inform me. I can design the block diagram and share with you. Further, you can go for the development. So these are the projects which you can go for like a major project level also, because all are very innovative. Even there is a scope for developing the research and development papers, R&D papers you can develop. Even IEEE conference paper at least you can make out. There is no need to worry. So get the result first. Even you can go for some MATLAB simulation. That is possible, right? So if you have any queries related to this topic, please do let me know. I will try my best to reply in a simple fashion. Thanks for listening this video. Kindly like this video if you found it is useful. Even give your valuable comments for the betterment. Request you to share the video with the stakeholders, those who are working on the similar kind of project, especially student community. Also, kindly subscribe the channel for getting the similar kind of video. Even I have done so many videos on projects and guidance, research, etc. Make use of those video and go ahead for the research work. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavor. Thank you all.